Year 1979. Young boy Varinder Malhotra. A mentor, late Shri S.R. Malhotra. Passion, quality. A dream, winning excellence-driven trust. Result: Kamal High-Tech Engineers Limited. Ever since 1979, this manufacturing company, known for its high-quality fasteners, has grown beyond competition's imagination by recording turnover of Rs 30 crore for the year 2006-2007 at a consistent growth rate of 25%. Our client list that reads esteemed names like Whirlpool, Blue Star, TVS Electronics, Videocon, IFB, PCL, TechMesh of India, SA Electronics, Plant Engineering Services, VEM Technologies, Godrej & Boyce, Carrier Aircon, and so on, is growing steadily for the reason that we not only manufacture, we understand the fasteners. Fasteners play a pivotal role while building a dependable quality machine assembly. So, in a role of an integral part of a machine assembly manufacturing industry, we take stringent measures of quality assurance while manufacturing fasteners for our accomplished clients. For conducting quality tests on right from raw material to end product, we are well equipped with the best known test equipment and machines. The ultimate tensile strength test is conducted on UTM60 machine. Hardness test on digital Rockwell hardness tester. Upset test on power press with regulated power. Chemical analysis on CS apparatus for confirming carbon content and other alloying elements, and grain structure test on image analyzer with the help of a dedicated software from Gettner. And then each material roll is tagged with results card and stacked in store. Our belief, system and attitude go hand in hand for achieving quality in manufacturing. So, in order to inculcate quality consciousness among the workforce, special seminars on quality workmanship are conducted regularly in the conference hall built on the factory premises itself. Production by our quality-conscious workforce is carried out on best of the fully automated multi-stage special-purpose machines using best quality imported tools and dies. Statistical process control is employed while carrying out each manufacturing operation. 10 pieces at random are picked and inspected using precision vernier caliper and micrometer, besides first pass yield every hour while performing heading operation. Penetration gauge is used for ensuring appropriate depth while performing slotting operation. After thread rolling operation, thread profile, thread angle and thread depth are compared for correctness with standard templates on a profile projector. For prompt action on deviations from set standard dimensions or breakdowns, our on-site tool room is well equipped with precision machines tools like EDM, surface grinder, cylindrical grinder, centerless grinder, tool and cutter grinder, die polishing and lapping machine, and host of other tool room specific machines. 2 pieces from each lot after hardening and tempering operation are tested to confirm case depth and grain structure of the fasteners under production. A very special set of machines is available in the on-site lab for sample mounting, section cutting, section grinding, and section polishing. In similar fashion, 2 pieces from each lot after electroplating are tested for plating thickness with the help of plating thickness measuring gauge. The resistance against corrosion and rust is tested on salt spray tester. All equipments used for conducting tests conform to ISO 9227 specifications. Only branded chemicals by Gror and Wheel are used for best electroplating results. We are fully equipped to carry out zinc, nickel, chrome, copper plating and nitriding. The in-process chemical analyzers and replenishers add to consistency and quality of electroplating. In order to avoid blistering, cracking, softening and peeling of electroplating, passivation followed by hydrogen de-embrittlement is also done. The error-proofing of the process is achieved through positive automation, popularly known as Boca-Yoka. Though we wear quality at heart, yet our quality management system is clad with ISO TS 16949-2002 certificate. In order to keep abreast with technological advancements and latest management skills, our core team of young, energetic engineers and management professionals is sent for attending technology expositions and management seminars. Owing to the futuristic approach of the founder, Mr. Varinder Malhotra, our core group is now working on implementation of lean manufacturing system, and efforts are on in applying WCM, world-class manufacturing, and JIT, just-in-time delivery system. At Kamal, we don't simply follow the tradition, we innovate it.